Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of hiding your chats from the main screen in Facebook Messenger. Although there's no official hide button available, we've got an alternative method that works like a charm. Let's dive into the full guide. Now, step 1. If you haven't already done so, go to the Google Play Store and open it on your device to download the official Facebook Messenger app. Step 2. Tap on the search bar within the Play Store and search for Messenger Facebook. Look for the app with a gradient between blue and pink, featuring a horizontal lightning bolt. Step 3. Tap on the app to select it. Then, tap on Install or Tap and hold on the option and select Install to begin the download. Step 4. Once the app finishes downloading, tap on Open to launch it. Sign in to your Facebook account using your usual credentials. Step 5. On the main screen of Facebook Messenger, tap and hold on a chat until a menu appears. Step 6. From the menu, tap on Archive to move the chat to the Archive Chats and Messages section. If you ever want to view or unhide the archive chat, tap on the 3 stacked lines in the top left corner of the main screen. Then, select Archive from the options below your username. The chats that just appeared are archived. To unhide a chat, tap and hold on the same chat from this menu and tap on Unarchive. By following these steps, you can effectively hide your chats from the main screen in Facebook Messenger. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel for more informative guides. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.